Hello and welcome to today's video, where I will be reviewing a supermarket own brand cleaner. I picked this up for free from Facebook Marketplace. From the photos online it was hard to tell what machine this was, because the colour scheme used is one that's similar in design to both Hoover and Electrolux products. It turned out to be a Tesco own brand Evo pet machine with a model number V.CU12P. Now, let's get technical for a moment and go back to where I've written things down. So this machine was sold between 2013 and 2014, looked to be when they were dumping stock, so I assume it went out of production either the end of 2013 or beginning of 2014. It has HEPA filtration, which is washable, which was in a bad way when I got it, but we got there without needing a new one. 1800 watt power, which we can't get nowadays, which is a bonus for it. A 3 litre bin capacity, a 7 metre long cable, which just doesn't feel long enough as much as I like this. A detachable handle. I don't know, do people detach the handles in their vacuum cleaners? I don't know, maybe if you were desperate and need to store it away or using it in a caravan or something. But it's not something that I would ever be interested in. Now, the original accessories that came with this was a crevice tool, which I have, a turbo brush, which you can see in the front, and a small round brush, which I don't have, but I assume went into the handle, given the hole there. Now this costs £59.50 brand new, but January 2014 it went on sale to £27.50, and that was highlighted on Hot Deals UK, and from what I read a lot of people ran out and bought them. Now the running costs of a machine like this break down into two things. Poppy! No! Excuse me, cat interruption. Anyway, the running costs. Belts and filters. That's what you need to keep these machines going. Currently on eBay, 2 belts cost £1.84 with free postage and packing, or with mixed offers with 2 belts and 5 aroma air fresheners at £4.95. And a filter is quite pricey, and there was only one online that I saw, and that's £11.25. Now in comparison to that, I've just bought a Vax filter and it was just under £6. So filters expensive, belts are cheap. Kinda is the way of things. And cats have pains in their arses. So back to what I think of it. I really like this machine. It's average. I'm not claiming it's anything it's not. It has enough to it that it's not exceptionally basic. The dial on the bottom allows you to adjust for hard floors, 3 different piles of carpet, and for tool use. The turbo brush using for pet hair, I didn't find it as good as it could be versus pet hair, as I have both a cat and a dog. So I may just have a dog soon enough. Poppy! Behave! Distraction cat. Not having the extending tube for the hose is a bit of a pain, because it means the hose isn't really that useful. I did however find a match for the size, I could have measured it, but that would have been too easy. However, my Panasonic hose fits it, and that's the Panasonic that's sitting just behind it. And that's the hose I've used, that's the extension for the hose that I've used in videos that I've shot using this machine. So we'll give it a quick whirl and let you hear it in action. See what you think. So we'll go just first of all with nothing on the floor. And for some reason I just find it a very pleasant machine to work with. It's kind of strange, it feels almost lightweight, which I think is just down to being quite well balanced. It weighs in at 7.5 kilograms, which isn't the heaviest, it's just shy of 2 poppies. She's currently hiding under the bed. And yeah, it's an average machine at a cheap price. It outperforms a couple of the higher price machines that I've got, which includes the Electrolux Petite and this Vax that's here. So I haven't actually done, or have I? I'm not sure if this has had an S test done beyond the hose tests, but we'll give it a try. The worst that can happen is everywhere there's rice, which is day to day for me. Bit of rice and a bit of flour. It's like snow. It's nearly Christmas, which isn't that a terrifying thought. Christmas is days away. It does seem like the year has passed very fast. Anyway, let's tackle this mess test. That's not bad for a single pass. As I say, it's average, it's not going to impress you a huge amount, but it should at least be somewhat impressive against other machines of its price range. Now we're going to try the pet brush. I just want to stop and see if anybody noticed the massive failure in that last little bit. The brushes like this will work better if you have the brush rolled down and not try and groom it through the hard plastic at the back. Oh, Chief Vacuum Inspector. See, the pet brush didn't do too badly. It picked up the rice and the flour. But against pet here, I've found the machine itself better than the pet brush. This has picked up an awful lot of dog hair from my house. And some cat hair. And yeah, it's just a nice, tidy little machine. And it's probably going to stay in my personal collection, which people might find odd. But it's pleasant to use and it's no longer produced, so why not? Anyways, that's enough from me today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see my videos as soon as they're released, hit the bell. Other than that, take care. And I hope that everyone's got their Christmas shopping done. I got mine done, but nothing wrapped. Volunteers to wrap are very welcome. Okay, bye bye.